Hey guys, this is Hybrid Comics, and today is week 7 of my crypto journey. So, right now, I am sitting at negative 55% of my investment. And that is mostly because of mining rig costs, and I bought another Genesis mining contract last week. The day after Thursday, I did a Bitcoin mining contract with Genesis Mining. So I put in, almost $1,600 into a mining rig and mining contracts. And so that's why my percentage went up a little bit, 4%. If I hadn't done that stuff, I would be 3% lower than I was last week, at 48%. So I'm still making money on, I guess, the holding and trading of the crypto, of Litecoin and Ethereum, mostly Ethereum. Ethereum's giving me a bit more volatility than the Litecoin. The Litecoin is just staying right at like 62, 63 the whole time. Litecoin's been at flatline these past few days. Let's see. Yeah, it's been pretty steady. It's gone up a little, real slow, steady. But this whole range is from 60. It broke 63 for a little bit, but it's between 60 and 63, and so I haven't really messed with it. I guess I could if I put quite a bit of money into it and just trade it on the swings. If I did $500, I could make a few dollars with every trade, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do that next week and see what happens. That's where I'm going. Everything generally is up. Zcash is way up. Omega has been pretty much the same for a while now. Bitcoin is back above 7,000 and continuing to rise, which is fantastic. That was probably the correction after the Bitcash manipulation stuff, but so Bitcoin should be stable at this level. We'll see. 10x is a little bit lower, I think. Coin is up. IOTA is way up. Let's see. ARK. I think ARK is up a little bit. Yeah, because it was in the 2s before. Now it's 3.1. And Vertcoin has gone back to about 4.2, so it's down a little bit over the week. But really, everything is pretty good. If I can stop spending money on things that won't pay me long term, I guess, my numbers would look much better. But hopefully in the long term it'll cause my numbers to be much better anyways. So that's about it. I don't have anything planned. I don't plan on spending any more money on mining rigs or contracts in the near future. I did sold some more books, and I'm selling some shoes and stuff here this week. That I'll be putting that in the crypto for trading, just for Litecoin and Ethereum most likely, unless things take a dip again. And then I'll buy some altcoins if that happens, but I'll just start by holding on to having some available cash for that. The McAfee ICO, they started the pre-ICO stuff, but still for US investors we can't get in. They're still working on it, trying to get it so we can invest. They said you might only be able to invest with USD, whereas everyone else can invest with Ether or Bitcoin. So that means I would have to keep cash like in my PayPal account instead of a trading account, which I don't like just having a lot of money sitting in there, but I might have to do that. We'll see what they come up with. Here, hopefully it happens in the next few days. I was planning on getting my Bitcoin Gold out, and I was even thinking about trying to mine Bitcoin Gold, just because after all the Bitcoin Cash nonsense last week, if Bitcoin Gold had its act together, it would look a lot more valuable just because of the decentralization it has with the GPU mining over the ASIC mining. But they still haven't got their stuff together, and there's been a whole lot of problems with the miners, with the nodes. So hopefully they can figure that out and get their stuff together. And they might actually have something there, but we won't know until they actually do. But I believe that's it for this week. Just started mining the Vertcoin today. Had some bugs and problems with it. I figured them out, and so I'm actually mining now with a 1080 Gi, and we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I'll do an update on how to use the one-click miner for Vertcoin. I mean, I might as well, because I had a lot of problems getting started, and I guess you have to use the core address for it to work, and I was not using the core address, but I am now. So, yeah. You got any questions, comments, rebukes, rebuttals? Tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I should be doing. Thanks. I'll see you guys next week.